What's going on, YouTube? So I just want to show a comment. Yep, what's going on?
This is the reason we can use gas. Like rubber like this, gas we melt.
Yeah. So I just wanted to show a common problem that's going on with the Rams. I got a Ram 1500, 2014 5.7 Hemi. And this goes for basically all Hemi engines unless it's manual. New Hemi engines, they all have a MDS system that shuts off the lifters. And because the lifters get shut off, these new lifters that shut off, they malfunction. So let me just show you real quick. So this is what you gotta do now. When you have a malfunctioning lifter, you gotta take the whole front end off of this guy and expose the cam. You got to change the cam because the cam is now ate up from the lifter. For me, I had a misfire on cylinder 3, and I changed the spark plugs and the coils and everything like that is still good, and that didn't solve the problem. So after doing research, the most common problem when you have that type of issue is going to be the camshaft is ate up, and your lifter is going to be tore up. So I had to rip the engine apart. Stay tuned for an update.